To order a new N26 card, start by opening the N26 mobile app on your device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen and select My Account from the drop-down menu. Next, scroll down to the card section and tap on Order a replacement card. You will be asked to select a reason for replacing your card, such as lost, stolen, or damaged. Choose the appropriate reason and proceed to the next step. You will then be prompted to verify your identity by entering a one-time password sent to your registered phone number or email address. Enter the code and tap on Verify to proceed. After verifying your identity, review your card details, including your name, address, and card type. Make sure all the information is correct and up to date. If you need to make any changes, tap on Edit to update your details. Once you have confirmed your card details, tap on Order Card to complete the request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your new card has been ordered and is on its way to you. It is essential to note that ordering a new N26 card may take a few days. Depending on your location, you can track the status of your card in the N26 app by going to the card section and tapping on Card Status. In addition to ordering a new card, you can also activate your card in the app by going to the card section and tapping on Activate Card. You will need to enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. To avoid any delays or issues with your new card, ensure that your address is up to date and that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover any card delivery fees. It is also a good idea to notify N26 customer support if you have not received your new card within the expected timeframe. By following these steps, you can easily order a new N26 card and get back to using your account without any hassle. Remember to always keep your card details and account information secure to prevent any unauthorized transactions.